Krishna went to his father's house and he came to Kurukshetra in the chariot. This is Ratha Yatra. And Radharani and the inhabitants of Vrindavan, their only business was, after Krishna departed from Vrindavan to Mathura, and he never returned. Once he returned, so Mother Jasoda, the cowherd boys and the gopis, they lost their life and vital force, so they were simply crying and weeping. That was their business. So Krishna sent sometimes Uddhava to pacify them, that I am coming very soon after finishing my business. So when they got this opportunity that Krishna has come to Kurukshetra with his brother, sister, father, so let us go and see. So they went to Kurukshetra to see Krishna. Whenever they got some opportunity, they wanted to see. Just like these cowherds boys, when there was battle of Kurukshetra near Delhi, Vrindavan is not far away from Delhi, it is about 90 miles. So they went to see Krishna in the charioteer fighting dress. They were astonished. They thought that Krishna is our friend, cowherd boy. How is that? He is in the chariot fighting. So they became astonished. So this is the pastimes of Vrindavan. So similarly, when the inhabitants of Vrindavan went to see Lord Krishna, Jagannath. Krishna means Jagannath. Jagat means this world. And Natha means master or proprietor. So Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Bhoktaram Jagatavasam Sarvalokamayassaram. I am the proprietor of all the planets. Therefore he is Jagannath. Jagannath means the proprietor of all the world, all the planets. So the Vrindavan inhabitants went to see Krishna because their life was Krishna. They did not know anything except Krishna. So that was the opportunity. So it was the request of Radharani to Krishna, my dear Krishna, you are the same Krishna, I am the same Radharani. We are meeting, but we are not meeting in the same place. Here you are just like a royal king with chariots, with soldiers, with your ministers, secretaries, and there in Vrindavan you are a cowherd boy, and we used to meet in the jungles, in the bushes, so I want to take you there. Then I will be happy. So that sentiment was expressed by Lord Chaitanya because Lord Chaitanya's worship was in the mood of Radharani. There's a nice story about Sanatana Goswami, of whom we are now studying. Sanatana Goswami and Rupa Goswami, two brothers, they went to Vrindavan for devotional service. So their all business was, Rupa Goswami special, he was always engaged in writing books. And when he was hungry, he went to some householder, give me a piece of bread. And everyone at Vrindavan, they were leaders. All the Vrindavan inhabitants, they took, even their household quarrels, they used to represent, Swamiji, this is our position, please settle us. So whatever decision he would give to the villagers, they will accept. Their court was Swamiji, Rupa Goswami. So he was so lovable. So one day Rupa Goswami was thinking that if I could get some, I mean to say, commodities for cooking, then I would have invited Sanatana Goswami to take some prasadam. He thought like that. And after, say, 1 hour, one young girl came with sufficient quantity of rice flour, ghee, and vegetables, so many things. Babaji, they call in India, especially in Vrindavan quarter, they call all these transcendentalists Swami Babaji. Babaji, please accept this commodity. There is some ceremony at our house, so my mother has sent to all these things. Oh, very good. You are thinking that if I could get some commodity, I could prepare something and invite Sanatana Goswami. So the things were there. So Rupa Goswami inquired, where do you live? Oh, you are a very nice girl. Where do you live? Oh, I live in this village. You do not know. No, I have never seen you. All right. Thank you very much. Then she went there and invited Sanatana Goswami and my dear brother, please come and take your prasadam here. I have got some food. All right. So Sanatana Goswami came during prasadam time and Rupa Goswami has prepared so many nice dishes. They are also expert in cooking. Expert. You know, all devotees, they are expert. That is the qualification. So then Sanatana Goswami is inquiring, where did you get all these things, so nice things you have prepared in this jungle? How did you get? So he narrated the story. Yes, in the morning I thought that if somebody sends me something. So by Krishna's yes, a nice girl, a very beautiful girl. And she brought all these things. He began to state about the girl's beauty. Then Sanatana Goswami said, oh, I have never seen such beautiful girl. How? Yes, I have also never seen. Oh, then she must be Radharani. She must be Radharani. You have taken service from Radharani? Oh, you have murdered me. We don't want to take any service from Krishna, and he has taken the opportunity to send us. We want to simply give our service, not any exchange. We have done a great mistake. Radharani has taken this opportunity. So she began to cry. So we have taken service from Krishna. We are giving her trouble. This is pure. We are very sorry that Krishna was troubled to send me all these goods. So this is the process. Krishna is also finding always opportunity how to serve my pure devotee. And pure devotee is so clever that he won't accept any service from Krishna. An interesting story has been described by our Satsuru Maharaj in the Bhakti Garden. The learned scholar and the boatman. The boatman in Bengal, there are many rivers, and the people generally transport by boat service. So, a learned scholar from Calcutta, say, was going home in the village on a boat, and he was very happy. So he was asking the boatman, my dear boatman, do you know what are these stars, these astronomy, how they are working? No, sir, I do not know. Your life is 25% lost. You do not know it. Then after some time, you know the geology, how these earth, water, they are working. He said, no, sir, I am poor man, what can I know? No, you are 50% of your life. Then, all of a sudden, there was a cloud, black cloud on the sky, and there was storm. Then at that time, the boatman asked, said, do you know how to swim? No, I do not know. Then 100% you are lost.
You are going to be drowned. He jumped and he drowned. So this is the... You are trying to understand the whole analytical study of the material world. That is very good. But if you do not know how to remember Narayan at the time of death, then you are going to be cats and dogs. That's all.